In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust the air in this shock. This is a dual air shock, so there's two valves that we're going to need to adjust. First step is to determine the air pressure that you're going to need inside your fork. This is based on the rider's weight. There's a sticker for this on the back of the fork. For our rider, who weighs about 150 pounds, that would give him a rating between about 100 and 115 psi. So we're going to fill it to just below 110 psi. So to begin, with our high pressure shock pump, we're going to unscrew the cover to the valves, attach our shock pump. Once we have it attached, it's going to give us a current reading for the shock. So it's currently at about 80 psi. So now we're going to pump it up to 110. So we went up to 110. Now we just want to release a little bit of air using the air release button to get us to around 108. Now that that's done, we can disassemble our shock pump off our shock and reinsert the cover. Now we're just going to do the same thing with the lower valve. So unscrew the valve cap. Screw on your shock pump. Examine the current reading. And now we're just going to pump it up to our desired amount. Alright, that's all we needed to do. So we can disassemble our shock pump and replace the valve cap. And now we're ready to go riding. If after you come back from riding, you felt like you wanted a little bit more or less air pressure, you can just adjust this again using your shock pump. The more air you insert into the shock, the stiffer it is going to be.